Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about college management system. Abstract. This project is based on college management system. College management system application provides the simplest interface for maintenance of students information, staff information and college related information. It can be used by the colleges to maintain the records of all students and different staffs of different departments. The student module of application deals with all kind of student related details like student profile, batch details and result details and attendance details. The aim of the project is to develop the application which covers all the details of colleges like student profile, teacher profile, student progress, student attendance, etc. All the data related to the college staff and the student is securely stored in the database which is managed by the college administrator. This is our project flow diagram. We have three users, that is admin, staff and student. We have three separate credentials for admin, staff and student. Now we are going to see the process of admin. An admin can add and manage the subject session. Admin can also add and manage the student and the staff. Admin can view the attendance and feedback of the student and the staff, and admin can send the notification for both the student and staff, and admin can manage the leave for students and staff, and then we are going to see the process of staff. Staff can update their own profile, add and edit their result of a student, and take attendance of the student and view the notification which is received from the admin, and then staff can apply for leave. Now we are going to see the process of student. A student can update their own profile, view the attendance and view the notification from the admin and staff, and then apply for the leave. Now we are going to see our project output. This is our index page. First I am going to log in with admin's email ID and password. This is the admin's home page. These are all the activities admin can do. First admin can update their own profile, and then admin can add new courses, subject, sessions for their colleges, and then admin can also add the new staffs and manage the staff, and admin can add the new student and manage the student, and admin can send the notification for the staff, and admin can also send the notification for student also, and then admin can view the attendance based upon the subject and sessions, and admin can view the student feedback and the staff feedback. Admin can see the leave applications for both the student and staff, and then I'm going to log in with the staff email ID and password. This is the home page of staff panel. Staff can update their own profile and then add and edit the result of student, and then staff can take attendance and view the attendance, and the staff can view the notification which is received from the admin panel, and then staff can apply the leave. Now I'm going to log in with the student email ID and password. This is the student panel. a student can update their own profile and view the attendance and view the notification from the staff and admin, and student can apply the leave and then send the feedback to admin. Thank you.